reacting to this. Pinag-uusapan natin yung problema at ang mga measures na gagawin natin without even going back and checking whether those data are valid or not. So, paano yung replacement cost? I already told you, kung papayagan natin yon after 3 weeks or after 2 weeks, 3 billion pesos per day. Did you check this? You say? Okay. Now, did you check that is 3 billion pesos per day ang income? Pero-reset ko kanina.
But the collection this week was also used to purchase the level, even higher level of products.
Kinuha mo na kagad kasi dapat sana there should be a point where the replacement cost should begin. Saan ba magsisimula? The inventory should end where the replacement cost should begin.
We are giving priority to ambulance, police. Napansin niyo ba yung Petron gas station? Laging 10 pesos cheaper than everybody else. Kasi nga, ang binibili namin crude oil, mas mura kaysa refined product. Kaya very important po itong public service na ito. And I promise the public, we will not take advantage on this fuel crisis. Hindi kami kikita ng mahigit pa sa normal. And I'm willing to even lower the income. Baliwala sa akin income. In fact, sabi ko nga kung gusto ng gobyerno, pwede nga ng gobyerno bilhin yung petro sa akin kung tingin nila, mas magaling sila magpatakbo di ba? So, in short, you have my 100% cooperation na tutulungan yung mga kababayan natin. Salamat po.
Sir, sorry. Sa bang ito, they're willing to lower the income? Meron ba kami?
Hindi, ibig sabihin ganito. Minsan, kahit na mas mataas yung pagkabili namin, kung yung market mababa, hindi bali na, sa sakripisyo na namin, bibili na namin yung mas mahal na crude. So, lilit yung income. Para lang siguradong hindi tayo ma-run out of crude oil, ganon.
How about rollbacks? Meron na yan.
Ang presyo based on replacement value every day. So, ngayon, kung tingin nyo, ibebenta mo at a loss, we can do that. Everybody can do that. Pero until when? After 1 month or after 2 weeks, bankrupt lahat ng oil company. Pwede rin yun kung yun ang tingin nyo mas mabuti.
Kasi may sinabi po si Senator Marcoleta yesterday na about 3 billion pesos a day daw po ang kinikita ng oil company.
Not Petron. I am willing to open Petron books to COA to public scrutineering. Wala po kaming gustong i-take advantage na kita, especially during the crisis. Pag tinignan mo yung Petron, ang sales revenue po, 800 billion a year, 700 billion a year. Magkano income? Ganun lang po ang income. 6-7 billion a year in the Philippines. Mas malaki ang kita sa Malaysia. Alam mo bakit? Kasi ang Malaysia, guarantee profit. Ang other countries, binibigyan yung oil companies ng guarantee profit. Pilipinas lang ang wala kasi deregulated tayo. Market force. Which our neighboring countries will copy soon. I-deregulate na rin nila yung oil industry nila. Dahil ngayon po, ang subsidy ng Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, mga 20, 30, 40 billion dollars a year, especially in a crisis like this. Which country can afford that continuously? I think mahirap, ano? So, maasahan nyo na we will make sure na hindi maubusan ng fuel ng Pilipinas. Salamat po.